Hey, it's Justice, Mr. 420, the host of the Cannabology Show, and the host with all the smoke, here to give you some tips on the arena. This tutorial will demonstrate how easy it is to create an account on the arena platform using a desktop or laptop computer, and this works for both Windows and Mac OS. Note, I like to refer to the arena as Twitter, aka X's little brother or cousin, because they are technically related. You cannot have an arena account without first having a Twitter or X account. Warning, this is only a demonstration and anything said or shown during this video is not financial advice. So, let's get started. When you have opened the web browser on your computer, in the URL section, type in arena, ARENA.social, SOCIAL, and hit enter. You will be directed to the arena login page where you will see the gray button or icon that says enter the arena with X. Remember, you cannot have an arena account unless you first create a Twitter or X account because they are connected. Which is why it is extremely important you don't skip the portion of the video where I show you how to add a backdoor entrance into the arena if you somehow lose access to your Twitter or X account, and you can only do this if you are logged into your arena account. At the arena login page, click on the gray button or icon that says enter the arena with X. The next screen will be the login screen for Twitter or X, and at this screen you will enter in the Twitter or X credentials for which you want to create an arena account for. Please note that this will not actually log nor take you to your Twitter or X account. Once you have entered in the Twitter or X credentials, you will be taken to a screen that says the arena wants to access your X account, and below this is some information I advise everyone to read because I am all about reading the fine print. Warning, this is only a demonstration and anything said or shown during this video is not financial advice. Note, yes, it is safe to give the arena access to your Twitter or X account because they are two in the same. The only difference between them is the arena has a monetization side included from cryptocurrency to tokenization. After you are done reading the information, click the black button or icon that says Authorize App. You will be taken back to the arena's original login page, but be patient because you are being logged in. Once you are logged into your arena account, on the left-hand side of the screen, you will see what is considered the main menu, where you have Home, Explore, Notifications, Live, Messages, Wallet, More, and Profile. In this part of the video, I will demonstrate how to add a recovery email just in case you have any issues logging into your arena account via Twitter or X. On the left-hand side of the screen, aka the menu selection, click on More. And on the next set of menu options, click on Settings and Support. On the next screen, click Account Security. On the next screen, click Recovery Email, and the next screen is where you will enter in a recovery email address. This is the email address you will use to access your arena account if for any reason you cannot log in via your Twitter or X account. After you enter in the email and click Send Confirmation, you will be directed to the next screen where you enter in the confirmation code and you click Continue. After you click Continue, you are ready to enjoy and benefit from the arena platform. I hope this video helps everyone create and log into your arena account via your desktop or laptop computer. If you have any questions or concerns about this video, please leave a comment or send me a message via Twitter or X at JusticeMr420. If you found this video to be helpful and you're watching this on YouTube, please make sure you like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click that bell for notifications on when I release new videos. Stay tuned for more videos with tips on the arena.